In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Lovable AI project. If you're cleaning up your workspace or retiring an experiment, I'll walk you through the exact clicks to permanently remove a project from Lovable. Deletion is irreversible, so pause for a moment and be absolutely sure you're choosing the right project before you proceed. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Lovable, then select the official Lovable website from the results. Once you're on the site, sign into your account so you land on your dashboard. Make sure you're in the correct account or workspace where the project currently lives. Switching accounts later can be confusing once you've navigated away. On your dashboard, find the project you want to delete. Hover your mouse over that project's card to reveal additional controls. Take a second to verify the project name and any identifying details so you don't remove the wrong one, especially if you have several with similar titles. With the project card hovered, click the three dots, often called the More Options or Overflow menu. This opens a small context menu for that specific project. From the options presented, choose Delete. As soon as you click Delete, a confirmation window will appear. This prompt exists to prevent accidental removals. In the confirmation window, click Continue to move forward with the deletion process. You'll then be asked to type a confirmation word. Enter the word Confirm exactly as shown, in all capital letters, without extra spaces. This is a safety check designed to ensure you really intend to delete the project. After you've typed Confirm, click Delete Project to finalize the action. The system will process your request and remove the project. You should be returned to the dashboard, and the project will no longer appear in your list. If the old project still shows up momentarily, give the page a quick refresh. Sometimes the view takes a second to update. If you see a permissions message, it usually means you're not the owner or don't have rights to delete that item. That's it. You searched for Lovable, signed in, hovered over the right project, opened the three-dot menu, chose Delete, continued, typed Confirm, and clicked Delete Project. Double-check before you do this, because you can't undo it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you clean up your dashboard with confidence.